I rub this into my hair before every wash, and my hair is strong and shiny as if I had an expensive salon treatment. No more hair loss. This homemade mask is all you need. To prepare it, take 1 ripe avocado. Avocado deeply moisturizes, nourishes, and rebuilds the hair structure. Cut it in half, twist, remove the pit with a knife, score the flesh, and scoop it out with a spoon into a bowl. The next ingredient is olive oil. It regenerates, strengthens the roots, and adds a beautiful shine. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also add a little honey for softness and elasticity. Mash and mix everything until smooth and creamy. Your natural mask is ready. Apply it from roots to ends. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wash your hair as usual. The result: hair that's nourished, smooth, shiny, and silky, soft. Just like after a professional salon treatment. With regular use, it becomes stronger, and you won't be picking up strands from the floor or your brush anymore.